My husband snores and it drives me nuts. And as soon as I start snoring, I'm going to do something about it because my husband snores. It drives me nuts. He doesn't do anything about it, but I'm going to do something about it. And so, pretty much as soon as my husband and my daughter started telling me, man, we can hear you snoring when you sleep, I was like, all right, I need to have a solution. And of course, I know people have CPAPs, but I wasn't interested in that. I was like, there's got to be some other, way. And I did research and found the oral appliance, and I was like, this is the route that I want to take. So.